right, here we go. Good luck, Brian. Soliair going to do the last 4 boxes of Select 2021 retail hangers with 4 hanger box exclusive shimmer prisms. And 20% off credit code. Like I said, if somebody steps up and takes the Cavs and the Warriors, I'll take the last 2 weeks of Break Chronicles. All right, we got Obi Toppin for the Knicks. Calare. Facundo Camposo. This guy played like 1 game or something like that. 10 games in Real Madrid. All right, we got R.J. Barrett, Saban Lee. Brandon Clark, Rui Hachimura, Jalen Smith. The kid out of USC. Donovan Mitchell, Carmelo Anthony, courtside. Giannis, Antetokounmpo, Tyrese Maxey, and Joe Ingles. All right, first shimmer is Goran Dragic. He's the one that retired, right? Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. Carl Anthony Towns. And R.J. Barrett for the Knicks. Carl Anthony Towns. Silver. Rui Hachimura. And Daniel Oturu. Well, this isn't retail. These are hangers. Was a roller mark on Goran? I didn't even see it. Remember the Leaf Pro set? That's 60 autographs. Oh, they make. Oh, I thought they made like retail, like this retail. Like this is retail. I thought they made stuff like this. All right, Patty Mills, Andrew Wiggins, Patrick Williams. There's Goran Dragic again, no roller mark. Sadiq Bey, Anthony Towns, Daniel Oturu, D-Russ, Cole Anthony, and Joel Embiid for the Sixers. Keldon Johnson, Michael Porter Jr., Jaylen Brown, and Brandon Ingram. Tobias Harris. Oh, let's Porter over here. Did I put one over there? Probably did, huh? Okay. Behind Tobias Harris is Ben Simmons. Emmanuel Quickley for the Knicks. Kyrie Irving. Vernon Carey, Ron Hornet, sorry. Ron Hornet, Vernon Carey Jr. And De'Aaron Fox. I get it says retail exclusive, but these are hangers. Like they make. How can I explain it? Like Prism. They make Prism Hobby. They make Prism Retail. They make Prism Hangers. They make Prism. Retail. So they make they make Prism Megas, and they make Prism Fat Packs, and they make Prism. They make like 20 different prisms. That's why I thought they made 20 different selects. I didn't know it was just hangers. God. Y'all wake up on the wrong side of the bed today? Box 4. Box 3 of it. Siakam, Terry Rozier, James Wiseman. First top rookie we get here. Vucevic, Pokachevsky, CJ Ellaby, Jokic, Derrick Rose, Kira Lewis Jr., Duncan Robinson, Bradley Beal right in Dazzer's face, Jonathan Isaac, and Eric Gordon. Our first shimmer is Sabonis Noches for the Pacers. I still have his rookie autograph and his silver rookie. Zach LaVine. Devin Vassell. And Elijah Hughes. Donovan Mitchell, Select Company. Silver, Eric Paschal for the Warriors. And, oh, courtside, Peyton Pritchard. Anything? I don't know. I mean, I get it, but you don't call this retail, right? You call it a mega box. And last box here. See what I'm saying? See the difference? Hey, you don't call... Oh, blasters! I get it. But it's called a mega box. It's not called a retail box. Tyrell Terry. I'm done with you guys. Tyrell Terry, LaMarcus Aldridge, Victor Oladipo, Isaac Okoro for the Cavs. LeBron James. That's our second LeBron James out of these boxes. Precious Achiuwa, Kawhi Leonard, Theo Maildon, and Aaron Nesmith, courtside. Jamize Ramsey, Eric Paschal, and Dante DiVincenzo. Come on, we need a big rookie in these. Andre Drummond for the Lakers. That's the color we're looking for. LaMelo Ball! There it is. LaMelo Ball shimmer. Whew! Now I get worried. Cam Johnson for the Suns. And Derek White for the Spurs. Brandon Ingram numbers. Blue. These are not numbered. CJ Ellaby for the Blazers, and it's got some gunk on the back. Let's see if I can show you, because it was stuck to the other one, just in case you want to wipe it. I mean, it's going to probably get stuck in here, so when I put the pennies in. Come on. Right there's the gunk. Oh, wait. Don't put it on top of him. And Drew Holiday, that's where the gunk is on Drew Holiday right there. So I take it off. I'm stack it on top of the other cards. You're gonna get stuck. I can't take off the gunk. I guess I can wear it down so it doesn't get stuck to the other ones. Let's see. No, it's gonna get stuck. Okay. Alright, well. LaMelo Ball, Jamize Ramsey, Aaron Nesmith, Theo Maildon, Precious Achiuwa, LeBron James, Isaac Okoro, Tyrell Terrell, CJ Ellaby, Peyton Pritchard, Elijah Hughes, David Vassell, Kira Lewis Jr., Pokachevsky, CJ Ellaby, James Wiseman, Vernon Carey Jr., Emmanuel Quickley, Cole Anthony, Daniel Oturo, Sadiq Bey, Patrick Williams, Daniel Oturo, Sadiq Bey, Tyrese Maxey, Giannis, Jalen Smith, Saban Lee, Facundo Campazzo, and Obi Toppin, and of course the Shimmer. LaMelo Ball. Very nice. Good stuff, Brian. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it as always.